Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to import drawings for floor plans, building elevations, and sections. First, prepare drawings before importing CAD drawings. Step 1. Open Revit application. Open your project. Double-click Level 1 from Project Browser. Close all other views except Level 1. Step 2. Select site information including the property line, trees, and neighborhood buildings. Mouse right-click on one of the selected elements. Select Hide in View. Select Elements or Category. Open Model and hide other elements will not be used for Level 1. Repeat this process for Level 2 floor plan, East elevation, West elevation, North elevation, South elevation, Level 1 ceiling plan, and Level 2 ceiling plan. Second, insert drawings. In this tutorial, we will practice how to add an image like a drawing to the view. You can insert CAD files and PDF files. Step 1. Select Import Image from Insert tab, under Import panel. Note 1. Revit can import various file types, DWG, DXF, PDF, JPG, TIF, RVT, and more. Note 2. For this project, I will use TIF files. Step 2. Find the folder where the drawings are saved. Select the floor plan. Click Open. Place the imported image on the view Level 1. Repeat this process for Level 2 floor plan, East elevation, West elevation, North elevation, and South elevation. Note 1. The imported image will only show on the view where you placed it. Note 2. To use the image file that you imported for your other level like Level 2, click Manage Links. Click Images tab. Click the image that you loaded in the model. Click Place Instance. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to import drawings for floor plans, building elevations, and sections. Thank you.